Hi friends, as we all know, we have to start working on Python. So to start work on Python, we need few softwares for our system. First is Python. We have to install the Python, and the second one is one IDE. So let's start with installing the Python. We'll download Python from python.org, which is the trusted website for Python. So I'll click on the first link and I'll get like about and downloads. I'll click on downloads where I'll be finding like Python latest version is available for the downloads 3.8.5. And if you want to go for any other version, then you can go for Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, others. You can go for any operating system. You can download the Python for that. If you want any other version, you can scroll down and you can get the version. But I want it for Windows, so I'll download it for Windows. Yeah, I started the download and download is finished. Now I need an IDE. There are many IDEs like we have Visual Studio Code, then we have Anaconda, and we have Pandas. But here I will be teaching you on the PyCharm. So I'll be downloading PyCharm. First, we'll learn how to work on PyCharm. Then IDE is just for writing up the program on that. That's it, nothing else. It's nothing fancy. So I'll be downloading the PyCharm. I'll click on the download PyCharm stuff, and here I'll be finding like download PyCharm is giving me three options: Windows, Mac, and Linux. With the professional and the community version. Community version is free and open source, whereas professional version has the free trial. So let's download the community version. Click on the community version and within few seconds it will start downloading stuff. I'm waiting for that. See, here it comes and it started downloading. So let it get downloaded, then let's meet and work on the stuff. So here as you can see we have got the PyCharm community downloaded and Python 3.8.5 got downloaded. So let me click on the Python 3.8.5 downloaded, and I've found one install now. Customize installation, install launcher for all users recommended, and add Python 3.8 to the path. Click on this particular button to add it in the system variables path, and then click on install now. Now let it install and let this give these executables and these things. These are the libraries, or these are the some modules which are present in the Python, which are required later on. Let it get downloaded first. Now as you can see, setup was successful, so we'll press on close and the setup of Python is done. Now we'll install the PyCharm. Clicked on the PyCharm community and let me have it started. Click on next. You want to install this PyCharm in this destination folder will be C program files. Let it be. We'll click on next. We'll be having the 64 installer, and then create an association. Do you want to add this launcher directly to the path? I don't require it, so let it be because the restart is needed and I don't want to restart my system right now. Update context menu, add open folder as a project. I don't need it. I just need the create association, so I clicked on it and clicked on next. Let it install. Clicked on install button and it started installing. So as you can see, completing PyCharm community edition setup, everything is installed. Let's click on run PyCharm community edition and click on finish. Let it open the PyCharm at the first end. It is saying the configuration or installation folder do not import settings. I don't want to import any settings. I just want my PyCharm to be up. This is the things like here you can change the UI themes, then you can set up the different stuff, but I just clicked on next, and here I got a create new project. I'll click on the create new project, and it is saying like you want to create new project in the location. I don't want this location. Instead of that I want a location in the D drive. So let's see where I want it to be installed. I'll click on this particular folder and I'll minimize this C and go to dev and click on Python. Right, in the Python I have few projects over there, but I'll click on Python and go for OK. Then here is the location ddev Python VNV. V environment means virtual environment will be there because you can make other environments also, but I'll keep it on virtual environment. And existing interpreter is no interpreter. Let's see what will happen. We'll create it and let's go for it. The directory dev Python will is not empty. Just click on yes and let it work on the stuff. So here my Python came up as you can see over here. There's our next tips and these things for they want you to just they will give you some examples and something. So I don't need it, so I'll close it right away. And let me just make it small so that you can see the entire window of Python PyCharm. So here it is. Here on the top you will see all the edit menu buttons in the file and all edit, view, navigation and stuff. Here in down you will find the terminal Python console. I'll tell you what terminal Python console is. Okay, fine. So we have the project over here and we have everything over here. Now let's create a new a file and see whether it got installed correctly or not. We'll create a new scratch and then let's go down and see what sort of file we want to make. We want to make a Python file. So I'll click on Python and see scratch.py is created. Now let us make our first program, which will be just print and hello world. Fine. Now this is our first program, and as I can see over here, see here it is saying no Python interpreter is configured for the project. Let's see what will happen if these things are there. We'll save this file, we'll press Ctrl S, and then we'll see we will simply run the scratch file. Here it is saying the edit configuration and such. Here it is saying that the error, please select a valid Python interpreter. Right, I'll just click yes. Configuration is still incorrected. Do you want to edit it again? I'll click on edit. Here is the script path, parameters and other things. Python interpreter is there, no interpreter. I clicked on Python interpreter and then clicked on 3.8, which is executed in C exe. Fine. I'll apply and I'll make a run. Yeah, as soon as I clicked run, see here my hello world came. So my Python is installed properly. Right? Chalo. I want to see if anything else can be done. So let's add something. I'm adding print 7 plus 8. Let's see what I'll get. See here I received this run scratch. I'll click on it and I got the value 15. 15 is what 7 plus 8 is, and hello world is already displayed. So that's it. That is how we will install everything. We install Python, we install PyCharm and make these files run. So this was our first program as well. I told you it is really easy to learn. So see, it is like that. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and share it among your friends. And if you have any question or queries, you can directly give me a, a note at note down like in the comment section. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.